Ka jingkno u menteri rangba ka jala Assam u Himanta Biswa Sharma u badei u nongilam ba pau khmat ka BJP hak thai North East ba ka jingsha rem ki sengsan hima ki betrei hak National Democratic Alliance NDA la lam khmat da ka BJP hak election MP Lok Sabha badang shudam penbana result men hak Southrik Jelio Arjar Pusau ka dei namar ka jingshim benta ki kenhun Niam hi kalapen bitario President ka Voice of the People's Party ba Ardent mila basai moin Uba Ardent uba deiru emeli ka nongkrem ulo ong ba ka jingkno u Himanta ba ki jala kum ha Meghalaya Nagaland ba Manipur kim ai jingjob ya ka NDA namar ka Niam ka dei ka ba omihap satya ulo ong ba u Himanta umdei ban Mushlia ki kam jong ki wei ki jala ba udei ban tip la ka kam la jong kumban chukudo ba ha Meghalaya na artli ki parliamentary constituency la job da ka VPP na Shillong bat ka Congress na tura ki ba omdei ki betelang bat ka NDA Uba Ardent lo ong ka jingkan Himanta ka khata ya ka jingsngo ki nongsong snong ka jala Meghalaya bat kalong prasya ya ka jinai loid ka jingit Niam kumbala proidak ka retisan syar ka India.
This is a message that I would like to send to Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, the Chief Minister of Assam, who seems to be a habitual loose talker, that he should mind his own business and should rather look at his own backyard. He has no right whatsoever to interfere into the affairs of the state of Meghalaya as far as the recent concluded parliamentary election is concerned. In a democratic country like India, the people of Meghalaya have the right to choose or elect any person as long as he is the citizen of India and qualified for the candidature. The people of Meghalaya are not so naive not to know about the aims, objectives, agendas and manifestos of political parties that are taking part in this election. And as the citizens of this democratic country, we have the liberty to choose any party we like. I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. I would also like to tell him that the church in Meghalaya has never ever involved in any electoral politics. However, as a community, we will choose to elect a party or a candidate which believe in the Constitution of India, respect the provision of the Constitution of India, believe in secularism, and the party that protects the interests of the minority communities. Therefore, you cannot expect that as a Christian, I will vote or elect a person who belongs to a party that stands against the Constitution of India that is not circular and which is also a threat to the minority in the country. And that is the right of every citizen to decide. Therefore, I strongly condemn his statement, which was not the fact, which was unfounded, baseless, and communal in nature. His statement, to my mind, was only to mislead the people and try to create communal disharmony in the country. And I'm sure that his many statements have really brought shame to the people of Assam and has greatly affected the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya. So once again, I condemn his statement, and it is unbecoming on the part of the Chief Minister to pass such kind of a remark against another state in the country.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.